A LG Magic Remote. I'm going to show you how to disconnect or deregister the pointer. So you can see the pointer right there. So if you want to deregister or disconnect, it's very simple. You want to hold two buttons, all right? And the two buttons are going to be the home button and the back button, okay? So back, home, press and hold at the same time together, and just hold for like 6 seconds until you see that on the top right hand side right there it says remote registration is disconnected. Please press the OK wheel button to enable. Okay, so anyway, so it's disconnected or deregistered now. So there's no pointer here. You know, even if you use the wheel here, nothing happens here. Now, if you want to register it back, you got to press the wheel button. Okay, so if you press this button, registering new Mac remote. Okay. So the pointer is registered again. Let's go ahead and deregister this one more time. Home button, back button, okay? Here, press and hold for about like 6 seconds or so until you see that again on the top right-hand side. Right there. Now it's gone. Register it again, press that button. And now it says registering new remote. All right, good luck guys.